Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this vlog, I'm trying to bring back the royal food into my small kitchen. The joy of replicating the recipes is immense, especially of the dishes of the unknown era. Let me not waste time and start preparing this delicious khichda. Khichda is a Mughlai dish. There is a difference between khichda and halim. Khichda is of a grainier texture, has pieces of meat and is spicier than halim, while halim is of a finer texture, has shredded meat and is blander. Let me start preparing this dish. Keep watching. For preparing this dish, I have taken oil, salt to taste, ghee, fried onions. Make sure to reserve some for garnishing, 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 medium-sized onion sliced, some coriander leaves chopped, some mint leaves chopped, 3 green chilies sliced, half cup of wheat, 1 handful of urad dal, 1 handful of moong dal, 1 handful of tur dal, 1 handful of chana dal, 1 handful of masoor dal, 2 handfuls of rice. And for the masalas, half teaspoons of red chili powder, coriander powder, pepper powder, garam masala powder and turmeric powder. For the whole spices, half teaspoons of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of whole pepper, cinnamon stick, 4 cloves. Some almonds and cashews for garnishing, half kg of mutton that I have cleaned. Soak the half cup of wheat overnight. I have already soaked it. Put this into a pressure cooker. Add all the soaked dals and rice mixture. I have soaked this dal and rice for 3 hours. Now add in half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 3 cups of water. Now let me pressure cook this for 5 whistles. So I have taken another pressure cooker. I am going to add in oil in this. I have added around 4 tablespoons of oil. Once it is heated, I will add in all the dry masalas. Dry spices. Yeah, it's hot now. Let me add in. Let it sizzle. I'm going to add in the onions. Green chilies, and let me saute this. Now after 1 minute of sauteing, I am going to add in the ginger garlic paste. Now let me add in all the masalas. Some salt, and let me fry this for another 1 minute. The masalas are sauteed well now. Now let me add in the curd. Actually I forgot to mention about this. I am so sorry for it. Now let me add 4 teaspoons of curd. Saute this well. I have sauteed this curd well now. The oil has started separating from this gravy now. That means it is well cooked. Now let me add in the mutton. Let it cook in this gravy for 5 minutes. Let me add some coriander leaves and mint leaves. I have cooked this mutton in this gravy for 5 minutes. Now let me add in the fried onions. Mix well. Since there is enough moisture in this, I am not going to add any water, and I will pressure cook this for 4 to 5 whistles. The dals and the wheat has been cooked well now. Now let me mash it using a masher. Mash this well. The mutton has cooked well now. I am going to take in some oil. We can use this for garnishing. Now the dal, wheat and rice has been mashed well. Now I am going to add in the cooked mutton. Add some hot water and boil this for 15 to 20 minutes. Now I have added the mutton, hot water. Now let me add in some coriander leaves, mint leaves, and some fried onions. Now let this boil for 15 minutes. While this is boiling, let me fry in cashews and almonds in ghee for garnishing. I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of ghee. Once it is hot, I'm going to add in the cashews and almonds. Now I'm going to add this ghee and cashews. Switch off the flame. Our khichda is ready now. Let me garnish it. Some fried onions. Some cashews and almonds. Our khichda is ready now. Enjoy! Friends, I am totally satisfied by preparing this dish. It is so delicious, believe me, you got to try it out. Try this recipe out and leave your valuable comments. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and do consider subscribing to our channel for more interesting recipes. See you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.